The ARIFAYZ dashcam front and rear captures very sharp footage with a high-resolution front camera and a clear full high-definition rear camera, making license plates and signs easy to read in most conditions. Its compact body tucks neatly behind the rear view mirror, so it stays out of your line of sight and looks discreet from outside the car. Built-in wireless connectivity and a companion application make it straightforward to review clips, adjust settings, and share important moments from your phone without removing the memory card. Around-the-clock parking surveillance with impact detection and time-lapse recording gives you useful evidence if something happens while the vehicle is unattended. Night recordings are impressively usable thanks to a sensitive image sensor, wide aperture lens, and exposure balancing that handle headlights and dark streets better than many budget dashcams. The included high-endurance memory card, automatic loop recording, impact-triggered file locking, and good heat resistance combine to make this a low-maintenance, reliable setup for everyday driving.